Hi dear students, welcome to my PPT presentation on the topic cyclic groups. Very important theorem. Every cyclic group is an abelian group. Proof: let G be a cyclic group with generator A and X and Y are two elements in G. Since G is cyclic group, every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of a single element. That single element is known as a generator. That is, G is equal to sand A, that is equal to set of A power n such that n belongs to Z. Now we prove that G is an abelian group. That is, xy is equal to yx for all xy belongs to G. Since x belongs to G, that gives x belongs to sand A. That is equal to x is equal to A power n where n belongs to Z. Similarly, y belongs to G gives y is equal to A power m where m belongs to Z. N and m are two elements in Z. We know that Z plus is an abelian group. All the elements of Z satisfies abelian property or commutative property. That is, n plus m is equal to m plus n. Now xy is equal to A power n into A power m, that is equal to A power n plus m, that is equal to A power m plus n, that is A power m into A power n, that is y into x. That is, xy is equal to yx for all xy belongs to G. Then G is an abelian group with respect to multiplication. Hence proved. We have proved that every cyclic group is an abelian group, but the converse of the above theorem need not be true. That is, an abelian group need not be a cyclic group. Example: the set of real numbers R is an abelian group with respect to addition. That is, R plus is an abelian group, but it is not a cyclic group since R has no generators. 2 is not a generator of R since there exists no positive integer n such that n into 2 is equal to 3, n into 2 is equal to 5, n into 2 equal to 7, and so on. Put n is equal to 0, 0 into 2 is 0. Put n is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is 2. Put n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is 4, but we did not get 3. So 2 is not a generator. Similarly, 3 is not a generator of R since there exists no positive integer n such that n into 3 is equal to 2, n into 3 is equal to 4, and so on. Give an example of an abelian group which is not cyclic. Example: consider a group G is equal to Z6 cross Z2, where Z6 is a group with respect to addition modulo 6 and Z2 is a group with respect to addition modulo 2. Since the group Z6 has 6 elements and the group Z2 has 2 elements, that is, order of Z6 equal to 6 and order of Z2 equal to 2, then order of its cross product Z6 cross Z2 is equal to 6 into 2 is 12. That is, order of G is equal to 12. Here, the greatest common divisor of 6 and 2 is 2. That means 6 and 2 have a common divisor 2. Then the group G is not a cyclic group. Since the group Zm cross Zn is a cyclic group, if Mn is equal to 1, that is M and N are relatively primes or co-primes, there is no common divisor for M and N. Here, there is a common divisor 2 for 2 and 6, then the group G is not a cyclic group. We know that Zn is a cyclic group with respect to addition modulo n. We already proved every cyclic group is abelian group. Therefore, Zn is an abelian group. The direct product of Z6 and Z2 is also an abelian group. Therefore, G is an abelian group. This is an example for an abelian group which is not cyclic group. Very important theorem. Every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. Let G be a cyclic group with generator A and H is a subgroup of G. Since H is subset of G and G is a cyclic group, every element of H is in the form set of A power n such that n belongs to Z. Since G is cyclic group, every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of a single element. That single element is known as a generator. That is equal to set of all integral powers of A Powers contain positive, negative, including 0. Let p be the smallest positive integer such that a power p belongs to h. That is, a power p is an element in h and p is least or smallest positive integer. Now we prove that h is a cyclic group, that is h is equal to SAND a power p, where a power p is a generator. Take an element a power m belongs to h, where m belongs to z. Since a power p is an element in h and p is least positive integer, here m and p are integers and p not equal to 0. By using division algorithm, then there exist two integers q and r belongs to z such that m is equal to pq plus r for 0 less than or equal to r less than p. That gives m minus pq is equal to r. It is denoted by equation 2. Since a power p is an element in h, that gives a power p whole power q is also belongs to h, since q belongs to z. That is, a square belongs to h, a square whole cube equal to a power 6 also belongs to h. That gives a power pq belongs to h. P and q are integers. Pq is also an integer. Minus pq is also an integer. A power minus pq also belongs to h. Therefore, a power m belongs to h, a power minus pq belongs to h. That is, a power m into a power minus pq also belongs to h. By closure property, h is a subgroup. That gives a power m minus pq belongs to h, since m minus pq is equal to r, using 2, a power r belongs to h. Therefore, a power r belongs to h and 0 less than r less than p is not possible. Since 0 less than r means r greater than 0, r is a positive integer and p is least positive integer, then we get r greater than p. Here r less than p. Therefore, a power r belongs to h and 0 less than r less than p is not possible. It is possible only for r is equal to 0. Hence we get m is equal to pq. Since a power m is an element of h, that is equal to a power pq, that is a power p whole power q, such that q belongs to z. This means every element of h can be expressed as some integral power of a power p. This element is known as a generator. A power p is a generator of h, that is written as SAND AP. Therefore, h is a cyclic group with generator a power p, hence proved. Therefore, every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. Important problem. If A is a generator of a cyclic group G, then A inverse is also a generator of G, where A is an element in G. Let G be a cyclic group with generator A. By using definition, we write G is equal to set of A power n such that n belongs to Z. This means every element of G is an integral power of A. That is, all the elements of G are integral powers of A. Let A power R be an element in G where R belongs to Z. Now we write A power R is equal to A power minus R whole power minus 1. A power m whole power n is A power mn. That is equal to A inverse whole power minus R, interchanging the powers. That is equal to A power minus 1 whole power q, take minus R is equal to q. R is an integer, minus R is also an integer. Minus R is equal to q, it is an integer. Since A power R is an element in G, A power R can be written as A inverse whole power q, such that q belongs to Z. So every element of G is an integral power of A inverse. Then A inverse is a generator of G. It can be written as SAND A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is a generator of a group G, hence completed. Show that Zn plus is a cyclic group. We know that Zn plus is a group and order of Zn equal to n. Order of Zn equal to n means Zn having n distinct elements. These elements are 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar and so on n minus 1 bar. It can be written as set of x bar such that x belongs to Z. For x belongs to z gives x bar belongs to zn and x bar equal to r bar, where r bar is the remainder when x is divided by n such that 0 less than or equal to r less than n. For better understanding this concept, I have added one example. Consider z6 equal to 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. z6 having 6 distinct elements. Put n is equal to 6, x equal to 100 belongs to z. X equal to 100, x bar equal to 100 bar equal to 4 bar belongs to z6. So 100 is divided by 6, we get the remainder 4. The 4 bar belongs to z6. Since x bar equal to r bar, that is equal to r into 1 whole bar, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 1 r terms whole bar, since x plus y whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar. By using this, it can be expressed as 1 bar plus 1 bar plus 1 bar plus and so on 1 bar is r terms equal to r into 1 bar. Since a plus and so on a n terms equal to na. Since x bar is an element in Zn, x bar is equal to r times 1 bar, that is equal to r times 1 bar such that r belongs to z. So every element of Zn is the multiple of 1 bar. So 1 bar is the generator of Zn. It can be written as SAND 1 bar. Therefore, Zn is a cyclic group with generator 1 bar. Hence, Zn plus is a cyclic group. Hence completed. Thank you all for listening to me so far.